Today we learn the letter H. First I tell you the story of letter H. It is the school summer fun day. Some children are in the hopping race. It is a hot day. By the time they have finished, the children are huffing and puffing. Say, huh. What is the action of letter H? Hold your hand up to your mouth as if you are out of breath and say, now, this is the flashcard of letter H. This is mama letter H. This is baby letter H. But mama letter don't have sound. Baby letter has a sound. How to write letter H? Standing line, small curve and a small standing line and a monkey tail. What is the sound of letter H? Hen, hat, hut, horse. Now it's your turn to write letter H. This is the way to write a letter H. Now what is the sound of letter H?